What have we got here?
Oh. Well.
A big warm welcome to everyone joining us here at Lindy Hop. We are Sam and Gabi, and together with our puppy Basie, we are currently traveling around Europe, exploring all of its hidden gems and making memories in our self-converted campervan. We started in the UK, drove across to Lithuania, and now our plan is to go up to the Arctic Circle and then down to the south of Europe. We will document our adventures in weekly videos every Sunday, so join us by subscribing to our channel, it's free after all, and turn on the notifications so you're made aware of every time we upload a new video, and follow us on Instagram for bonus behind the scenes footage. Good morning everyone, it's a beautiful day here in Finland today. We're parked next to Tampere city in the suburbs near lake, and today our mission, our goal is to go and do a hike in this really beautiful national park. It's called Helvetinjärvi, which I think means Hell's Lake, something like that, and it should be really interesting place to go and have a look at. But before that, we need to do two things. Number one, have a good breakfast before a hike. Number two, have a good wash before the breakfast. And when I say wash, I mean van style wash.
Nice.
We just had breakfast and we are in Tampere city centre right now. We had a little bit of, well, it's been going on for ages actually, this issue with our microphone. It's always making these crackly noises of the cables moving around, especially in the wind, and as we're recording outside so often, we thought, this is it, we need to fix this problem. So we came to Tampere, looked at some shops, looked at some options, and got ourselves a new mic. So please let us know in the comments if you can feel the difference in the audio quality. So now the microphone issue has been fixed, we can carry on and make our way to Helvetinjärvi National Park.
It's a bit spooky, this place.
Yeah, I know, it is a bit weird. However, on the description it says it's suitable for kids, so I think we'll be fine.
You okay, Basie? Maybe you know how dogs can sense things? Basie.
He's trying to tell us.
He's trying to tell us to leave.
Let's go here. Too many tables and chairs. Come on, good boy. Yes. Yeah, so we're just going to make some quick lunch to power up the hike, and off we go.
And how far is it?
It's 3.5 kilometers. It's a loop.
Okay.
So we should be coming back to the same spot. And actually, it's quite a nice spot here. So we'll see if anyone says anything about us parking here. But I think it's free to stay. So maybe we'll stay here overnight. If not, there's a couple alternatives around the area. All right. Well, we just had our lunch. We've got hiking boots on, and we're off. We're on the way to see the big gorge Helvetejärvi National Park. I think that's how it's called.
Yay!
What does it say?
Helvetekuulo. I think the top one. Oh, the top one's the same as the bottom.
I think we go right.
Okay, let's go right. It instantly feels so different in here. It's like moss everywhere on the ground. And it feels very like untouched almost. I read that they used to do forestry here and felling trees and stuff, but they haven't done it for like something like 100 years now. But it's so gorgeous with the rocks and the moss. Stunning. Oh, well, yeah, there's these massive boulders here, and they're super interesting. And it says on this little thing here that I can read that travellers and hikers used to think that these big boulders were moved by demons and spirits, but actually it was the Ice Age that moved them, and now they're just where they are, and they've been here ever since. They're huge.
It's read on the little plaque that this trail was popular not just between hunters and fishermen, but also artists who would who would come to paint, but then would be armored with rifles and guns. I guess multitasking. You do what you gotta do, or defense. I don't know. But either way, very funny juxtaposition.
Once we got to the end of the trail, the view from the top of the rock was absolutely stunning. We took a seat just on the edge, and we were well above the tree line. Oh, how long was that?
I need to check. I think it was like an hour and a half. Yeah, very good length hike. We always mission these ones. I feel like when we know it's not too long, we're just like power through.
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with us. And then it will get hot and sweaty, and then we get to the end of the destination of the hike, and we just feel like, oh, I'm so sticky. Let's go home.
Yeah.
We need to like slow down a bit and enjoy the hikes. We like to look at the nature and stuff in the forest, especially this one had some nice moss and
yeah,
fern.
And I actually read that some of these mosses, they're quite rare in this like region so far up north.
Oh.
And there's like lots of different types of ferns and just in general greenery. So many different shades of green, so beautiful. So I feel like these sort of destination hikes, you're going to look at this gorge or like opening or rock formation, but I just enjoyed the kind of hike up to it pretty much as much, if not sometimes more, than the big showstopper of a nature landmark thing.
Yeah, no, I agree. But I don't think we're going to stay here tonight. It's still got a strange vibe about it. I don't know, maybe I'm just being weird, but
I think maybe just we arrived and it's like these people like
staring at us.
And then I was like, oh shit, do we have to pay for parking? So I went around looking for like a sign or trying to find someone to ask if we need to pay. But I don't think it's pay. I don't think you have to pay. But anyhow, we might look for another spot in the area because it's national park everywhere. It's really, really beautiful.
Now we're going to go and find a new spot for the night. I think we're going to wrap this video up here for now. But yeah, thanks again for joining us in today's video. Tune back in on Wednesday when we're going to be somewhere up north. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notifications, and we'll see you next week.
See you next week. So we made it to the end of the cliffs, and the view from up there was just absolutely gorgeous.
We were perched just... Okay, wait. We were sat just on the edge of the... Woo! Don't look away from me because...